Looking for the best treadmill to buy in 2026? Whether you want a heavy-duty running machine, a compact under-desk walking pad, or a smart incline treadmill for home workouts, this video covers the top 5 best treadmills of 2026. I've reviewed performance, durability, smart features, and value for money, so you can choose the right one for your fitness goals. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 3G Cardio Pro Runner X Treadmill. The 3G Cardio Pro Runner X is a commercial-grade treadmill designed for serious runners. It features a powerful motor, orthopedic running belt, and a solid steel frame that supports users up to 350 pounds. This treadmill is built like a tank. The orthopedic belt reduces joint impact, making it ideal for long runs and injury prevention. The low 6.5-inch step-up height improves accessibility, and FreeSync FTMS Bluetooth allows seamless connection to fitness apps. Despite its heavy-duty build, it folds for compact storage. Pros: extremely durable, gym-level construction. Orthopedic belt reduces knee and joint stress. High 350-pound weight capacity. Bluetooth FTMS app compatibility. Smooth and quiet operation. Cons: large footprint compared to walking pads. If you want a top-tier treadmill for intense home training, this is one of the best investments in 2026. Number 2. 4-in-1 Walking Pad with a 10% incline. This 4-in-1 walking pad treadmill is designed for home and office use, offering walking, jogging, incline training, and underdesk functionality. It features a 2.5 HP motor and supports up to 300 pounds. This treadmill is perfect for staying active during work hours. The 10% incline adds workout intensity, while the quiet motor ensures minimal disturbance. Its foldable and portable design makes it ideal for small apartments or offices. Pros: compact and space-saving design. Quiet motor for office use. 10% incline for calorie burning. Easy to store and move. Strong weight capacity for its size. Cons: not suitable for fast running, smaller walking surface. A great choice for daily walking, light jogging, and office fitness routines. Number 3. JELENS Treadmill for Home with Auto Incline. The JELENS treadmill comes with a 3.0 HP motor, 0 to 15% automatic incline, pulse sensors, and smart app connectivity. It supports users up to 330 pounds. This treadmill offers excellent value with its automatic incline system and smooth performance. The LCD display is clear and easy to use, and the built-in app support helps track workouts efficiently. It's quiet enough for apartment living while still powerful enough for running. Pros: 15% automatic incline, strong 3.0 HP motor, app connectivity and LCD display, pulse sensors included, foldable for space saving. Cons: app features may feel basic. Assembly takes some time. A well-balanced treadmill for runners and walkers looking for incline training at home. Number 4. UREVO CyberPad Smart Walking Pad. The UREVO CyberPad Smart Underdesk Treadmill with a 14% auto incline, brushless motor, AI-powered app, and elegant speed-responsive LED lights. This treadmill stands out for its modern design and smart features. The brushless motor ensures long-term durability and quiet performance. The AI app adapts workouts to your activity level, making it perfect for tech-focused users. Pros: advanced AI-powered fitness app, quiet brushless motor, 14% auto incline, stylish modern design, ideal for home office setups. Cons: not built for high-speed running, perfect for users who want a smart, stylish walking treadmill with advanced technology. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Heavy-Duty Treadmill. This Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill features a 20-inch running deck, automatic incline, and full integration with the SunnyFit app for guided workouts and tracking. The wide running deck provides excellent comfort and stability, especially for taller users. The SunnyFit app offers free workouts and progress tracking, making this treadmill a strong all-rounder for home fitness. Pros: large 20-inch running surface, heavy-duty construction, auto incline for varied training, free SunnyFit app access, reliable brand reputation. Cons: takes up more space, Basic console design. A solid, reliable treadmill for runners and families who want a dependable home workout machine. That's it for our top 5 best treadmills of 2026. All the product links are in the description below to help you find the best deal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.